Okay, folks, I'm gonna just take this last video. I'm gonna take a little skim cut on here. Um, just gonna slice off the outside of this real quick, and then I'll mic it for you right without turning off the video, so that you can actually see the machine holding size. Running at a little over 1,000 RPM. One thing you can see as I close up on this is just a gorgeous finish. And you can see the brake works great. So you got, hopefully you can read that. We got about 1 inch, 412.5 thou. And as you can see there, we're 1 inch 412 and just a hair over a half thou, 6 or 7 tenths. And right in there too. So as you can see, this machine cuts absolutely gorgeous. It's a nice tight tolerance machine, and this finish. If it wasn't a round surface, you could see your face in there. I mean, it just look at that finish. It's beautiful. And that's going to conclude the video series on this Webb WL435. Nice machine.